Hi everyone! In this video you will learn how to play Zenyatta effectively in Overwatch. Orb Management. Always have Harmony Orb on a teammate needing healing and Discord Orb on priority enemy targets to maximize your impact. Positioning. Stay backline but within line of sight to heal and support teammates while minimizing your exposure to enemy fire. Discord Priority. Prioritize applying Discord Orb to high-threat targets like enemy DPS or tank to increase your team's damage output. Focus Fire. Communicate discorded targets to your team to focus fire and secure elimination quickly. Projectile Prediction. Anticipate enemy movements to land Zenyatta's projectile effectively, especially at longer ranges. Ultimate Timing. Use Transcendence to counter enemy ultimates that deal large amount of damage. Team Coordination. Coordinate Transcendence with your team's offensive pushes or to sustain during enemy engages. Dueling Awareness. Be cautious when dueling high mobility heroes. Use cover and Discord Orb to gain an advantage. Peel for supports. Use Discord Orb and your own damage to deter flankers and protect your supports from threats. Callouts. Provide constant updates on Discord targets and Harmony Orb recipient to keep your team informed. Map Awareness. Utilize Zenyatta's ability to attack from a distance and around corners on maps with long sightlines. Ultimate Economy. Avoid using Transcendence when fights are already lost or want to conserve it for critical moments. Adaptive Positioning. Adjust your positioning based on the enemy team's composition and positioning to maximize effectiveness. Environmental Awareness. Be mindful of the environmental hazards when using Transcendence to avoid accidental deaths. Flanking Opportunities. Exploit Zenyatta's flank potential to catch enemies off guard with Discord and surprise damage. And that's how to play Zenyatta effectively in Overwatch. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.